यस स्टूडेंट्स, अब आज हम इस सैंपल पेपर को उत्तर के साथ पूरा करेंगे। मुझे लगता है कि यह आपके लिए मददगार साबित होगा। यदि आप इसे अपने हेडफोन के माध्यम से बार बार सुनते हैं तो आप इसे सहज याद कर सकते हैं बिना आपके अतिरिक्त प्रयास के। और अगर यह आपकी मदद करता है तो आप इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर साझा करें। बस एक दूसरे की मदद, क्योंकि एक कहावत है, जैसे दोगे ऐसे ही पाओगे। तो आप अपने दोस्त के मदद करोगे तो उनसे भी आज नहीं तो कल आपको मदद मिलेगा, किसी भी चीज का। और यह प्रकृति के नियम है। Now I start the class 11 sample question paper with answer according to CBSE examination 2021 to 2022. Class 11. Subject painting. Maximum marks 15. Time 60 minutes. Subject code 049. First read properly instructions. Number 1. The paper has been divided into 4 sections A, B and C. Number 2. Section A contains 10 questions. Number 3. Section B contains 10 questions. Number 4. Section C contains 5 questions. Number 5. Darken the circle completely for correct option in OMR sheet. Number 6. Use blue ball pen to darken the circle. Number 7. Each question carries equal marks. 0.6. Number 8. There is no negative marking. That is also a plus point for you, so you can answer with your confidence. Let's start section-wise question with answer key. Section A. Question number 1. The prehistoric period in the early development of human beings is commonly known as. Option A. New Stone Age. B. Old Stone Age. C. Bronze Age. D. Copper Age. So answer is B. Old Stone Age. Question number 2. In which medium the Ajanta paintings are made? A pastel color. B. Oil color. C. Watercolor. D. Acrylic color. So answer is C. Watercolor. Question number 3. The dynasties during whose reign the lion capital of Sarnath created. A. Ashoka. B. Bindusara. C. Akbar. D. Chand. Answer is A. Ashoka. Question number 4. The caves of Bhimbetka were discovered by A. Robert Ballard. B. Arthur Evans. C. S. R. Rao. D. V. S. Vaknikar. Answer is no. D. V. S. Vaknikar. Question number 5. Vindhya ranges of Madhya Pradesh and their Camuria extensions into Uttar Pradesh are full of A. Paleolithic and Mesolithic remains. B. Paleolithic and Chalcolithic remains. C. Only Paleolithic remains. D. Neolithic remains. Answer is no. A. Paleolithic and Mesolithic remains. Question number 6. What was the time period of Ajanta art? Number A. Circa 2nd century AD. Number B. Circa 2nd century BC to 480. Number C. Circa 1st century BC to 580 AD. Number D. 3rd century BC to 680. Answer is number B. Circa 2nd century BC to 480. Question number 7. Painting Bodhisattva Padmapani is created in cave number A. Cave number 1. B. Cave number 9. C. Cave number 16. D. Cave number 17. Answer is no. A. Cave number 1. Question number 8. Prehistoric sites with both engraving and paintings. Pachmadhi. 2. Raigad. 3. Belari. A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All of them 1, 2 and 3. Answer is D. All of them 1, 2 and 3. Question number 9. The most common animal figure found at all Harappan sites is bull, cow, horse, tiger. Answer is A. Bull. Question number 10. The utensils of Indus Valley people were mainly made of clay, copper, bronze, brass. Answer is A. Clay. Now, section B. Question number 11. The worship of Mother Goddess was related with the Aryan civilization, with the Mediterranean civilization, with the Indus Valley civilization, with the Vedic civilization. Answer is C. The Indus Valley civilization. Question number 12. Which of the following technique is used for making bronze statues during Harappa civilization? A. Lost wax technique. B. Wood carving. C. Stone carving. D. Carving. Answer is A. Lost wax technique. Question number 13. The famous Ashokan pillar containing as sculpture of 4 lions standing back to back located at A. Bhopal. B. Bihar. C. Sarnath. D. Delhi. Answer is C. Sarnath. Question number 14. Which asana is related with Buddha from Katra Mound? Shavasana, Tadasana. C. Padmasana. Shuksana. Answer is C. Padmasana. Question number 15. Which material is used for seated Buddha from Sarnath? Bronze, copper, terracotta, sandstone. Answer is D. Sandstone. Question number 16. The rock-cut cave traditions were found at Odisha, depicting which religion mainly? Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Brahmanism. Answer is B. Jainism. Question number 17. We find evidences of life-size standing image of a Yakshini from _ during Mauryan period. Paharganj, Didargunj, Patpadgunj, Sahdara. Answer is B. Didargunj. Question number 18. The stupa consists of a cylindrical drum and a circular with a harmika and chhatra on the top. Anda, harmika, umbrella, chakra. Answer is B. Anda. Question number 19. The evidence of bead industry were found at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and Chanhudarong, Kalibangan and Chanhudarong, Banwali and Rakhigdi. Answer is B. Lothal and Chanhudarong. Question number 20. Includes a large hole at the bottom and small holes all over the wall. It was probably used for straining beverages. Polychrome pottery. Perforated pottery. Incubated pottery. Potter's wheel. Answer is B. Perforated pottery. Then, section C. Assertion and reason. Question number 21. Choose the correct option. Assertion: A. Men and women wore two separate pieces of attire similar to the dhoti and shawl. Reason: R. The shawl covered the left shoulder passing below the left shoulder. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is incorrect, but R is correct. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Answer is D. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Question number 22. As it is assertion and reason. Choose the correct option. Assertion: A. One of the best known artifacts from the Indus Valley is this approximately 4-inch high copper figure of a dancing girl. Reason: R. It was found in Mohenjo-daro. This figure is full of expression and bodily vigor and conveys a lot of information. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is incorrect, but R is correct. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Answer is A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 23. Also same. Assertion and reason. Choose the correct option. Assertion: The pellet eyes and beaked nose of the figures are very crude, and the mouth is indicated by a slit. Reason: The male torso has socket holes to tie the head and neck. A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion and reason. C. A is incorrect, but R is correct. D. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Answer is D. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Question number 24. Choose the correct option. Assertion: A. Due to the popularity of Buddhism and Jainism, stupas and viharas were constructed on a large scale. Reason: R. It is important to note that the stupas were constructed over the relics of the Buddha at Rajagraha, Vaishali, Vethadipa and Pava in Nepal. A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is incorrect, but R is correct. D. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Answer is D. R is incorrect, but A is correct. Question number 25. Match the column A with the suitable option of column B. First, try to understand column A and column B. Like this, column A are number 1 to 3 and column B are letter A, B, C. Now start from column A. 1 Ramagrama, then from column B. A. Nepal. Next from column A. 2 Dholi. And from column B. B. Bairat. From column A. 3 Rajasthan. Then column B. C. Kanha artisan. Now choose answer option from below. Which one correct answers? 1-D to -C3-A4-B. 1-A2-B3-C4-D. 1-C2-D3-C4-B. 1-A2-B3-D4-C. Answer is B. 1-A2-B3-C4-D. Okay students. Now we are complete this sample paper with answer. I think this is helpful you if you listen it's repeatedly through your headphone you can it isliye without your extra effort. And if it helpful you then you must be share this to your friends just help each other. Do it and comments me for your next video.